Get ready to fire up your legs and abs with simple yet powerful moves to strengthen your core, boost your metabolism, and improve your posture, all without the neck, back, or knee pain that so many experience when trying to get down on the ground. So, if you're looking for a safe and low impact way to build strength and burn calories, this is the practice for you. And be sure to stick around until the end where I share with you the #1 secret to having success on your fitness journey. So go ahead, get comfy, grab your chair, and let's dive into this energizing routine together. Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, moving into a lateral stretch. Step your feet into a wide stance, rooting down through your feet. Clasp your right hand beneath your chair. Reach your left arm up and over to the right, keeping the weight even in your hips, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist, breathing wide into your left side body. Release, and let's go ahead and repeat on the opposite side. Clasp your left hand beneath your chair. Reach your right arm up and over to the left. Feeling this gentle stretch, create more flexibility and mobility through your back and core muscles. Release, returning to upright, moving into a seated twist. Place your hands to lightly rest behind your head with your elbows wide. Inhale, center, exhale, gently twist. Continue rotating from right to left, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine. Maintain your hips facing forward, allowing this movement to originate from your waist rather than your hips, arms, or shoulders, working through your obliques. Moving into a side crunch variation, maintain your hands behind your head with your elbows wide. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, draw your shoulder towards your hip, gently flexing. Continue moving at your own pace, keeping your elbows wide, broadening across your chest, flexing through your side body, working through your obliques. Release and return to center. Moving into an energizing alternate knee raise variation. Clasp your hands to the sides of your chair. Lean back at a slight angle using your core to stabilize. When you're ready, begin to lift your knees from right to left, adding a toe tap in between. Continue moving at your own pace, strengthening through your lower abs, hip flexors, and low back while enhancing core stability and balance. Transitioning into a bicycle movement, begin to pedal your legs as you draw one knee in towards your chest and extend through the opposite leg, keeping both legs elevated and your navel back towards your spine. Moving slow and controlled, working through your lower abs, while toning and strengthening through your hamstrings and quadriceps. Moving into a knee tuck variation, draw both knees in towards your chest and lower, adding a toe tap. Continue with this movement, keeping your chest lifting and your spine long, strengthening through your hip flexors and quadriceps while activating your deep core muscles. Adding on, draw both knees in towards your chest and extend. Continue with this movement, resting when you need to, keeping your core engaged and your navel back towards your spine, strengthening through your lower abs, hip flexors, quads, and low back, while helping to improve balance and stability. Release and return to center. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, lean forward halfway, keeping your core engaged and your spine long. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, cinching in all the way around your waist, using your core to stabilize this movement. Release and return to center. Moving into a seated twist. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, reaching your left hand to your right leg, placing your right hand behind you for support, rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Continue breathing deeply, allowing this twisting action to re-energize and nourish your spine. Unwind and repeat on the opposite side. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, reaching your right hand to your left leg, placing your left hand behind you for support, taking a few slow, deep breaths here. Release and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. And now for the number one secret to having success on your fitness journey, it's consistency, the ability to stick with it and finish what you start. So if your goal is to tighten and tone while feeling healthier and happier in your body, I'll see you tomorrow. Also, be sure to like and subscribe, as it'll help you to remind you to stay on your fitness journey. And remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.
Now that was good.
To purchase a copy of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on DVD, visit happyyoga.tv. And to gain access to over 100 episodes of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr, visit happyyogaondemand.com.